Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake tasty. Start by using high-quality, full-fat cream cheese for that essential rich flavor and smooth texture. It's crucial that all your ingredients, especially the cream cheese and eggs, are at room temperature. This helps them combine smoothly without lumps. Remember, gentle mixing is key to avoid incorporating too much air, which can lead to cracks during baking. Baking your cheesecake in a water bath is a game changer for achieving a silky smooth texture and preventing cracks. The steam creates a moist environment, ensuring even heat distribution. Resist the urge to open the oven door while it's baking. Temperature fluctuations are a cheesecake's enemy. Once baked, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside with the door ajar for about 1 hour. This gradual cooling is vital. To truly elevate your cheesecake's flavor, consider adding fresh lemon zest. Just 1 teaspoon can brighten the entire dessert, cutting through the richness with a lovely tang. For a more profound vanilla essence, swap extract for vanilla bean paste. Its tiny seeds also add visual appeal. And don't forget the crust. A classic graham cracker crust with a touch of cinnamon provides a perfect textural and flavor contrast to the creamy filling. For the perfect finish, adorn your cheesecake with fresh berries like raspberries or blueberries or a homemade fruit compote. These add vibrant color and a burst of fresh flavor. Remember, patience is a virtue. Chilling your cheesecake for at least 4 hours or even overnight is essential for it to set properly and achieve its ideal texture. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.